In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Citizens Access online banking password. Losing or forgetting a password can be quite a hassle, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you step by step through the process so you can regain access to your account in no time. First, you'll want to start by opening up your preferred web browser. Then head over to the Citizens Bank official website. It's just a quick search away if you're not sure about the URL. Once you're there, we need to navigate to the login section. Look for an option or a button that says login and click on it. This is usually located at the top right corner of the home page, making it relatively easy to spot. Now, on the login page, you'll find a link that reads something like trouble logging in or password change. Click on this link and it will take you to a page specifically designed to assist with login issues. Once you're on the troubleshooting page, you should see an option saying, I forgot my password and want to change it. Go ahead and click on that. The website will begin the process of verifying your identity to ensure that you are authorized to reset the password. Next, you will be prompted to provide some personal information. This may include answering security questions or entering details about your account to further authenticate your identity. Make sure the information you enter is accurate to avoid any delays. After successfully verifying your identity, you'll be directed to a page where you can create a new password. Now, when creating your new password, make sure it is both strong and memorable. A strong password usually includes a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters. It's essential for security reasons, especially since you'll be accessing personal financial information. Once you've created a new password, the system typically asks you to confirm it by entering it again. Double check to ensure the passwords match. A quick tip, write down your new password and keep it in a safe place or use a password manager to help you keep track of it without the risk of forgetting it again. Finally, once you've updated the password, you should receive a confirmation message, which means the process is complete. Now you can return to the login page and use your new password to access your Citizens Access online banking account. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your online banking password. Remember to keep your banking information secure and regularly update your passwords to maintain your online safety. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.